for watching another Shy Girl Sentiments YouTube video. So I have not washed my hair since actually my last video. So it's been like 2.5 weeks. Kind of embarrassed to say that, but it is what it is. So this is my hair today. Has a lot of product in it just from last time. And yeah, so since I usually wait so long to wash it, my hair gets really tangled and dry. So I was like, okay, so I watched a bunch of videos and read up on things, and I realized that I should probably detangle my hair before shower. I've heard a lot of mixed things. Sometimes I would use like a leave-in that has really good slip, put it in my hair in the shower, but like still I feel like I'm still getting like a lot of breakage. So I'm going to be using different products from the Not Your Mother's natural line. I'm super excited. They had this really good sale, like I feel like it was like 2 months ago. I don't know, like quarantine, like it's July. We've been doing this since March, or I've been doing this since March. I know some people are out and about. Personally, I'm a homebody, so I'm fine staying home. I've basically been here in the store and picking up food, but that's it. No shade to anyone who's going out, because I know that a lot of people have to get out and be social. Just make sure y'all are staying safe. Anyways, I got this sale, and basically I got like almost all of their products in their naturals line for like $60. Like, y'all, I'm not even exaggerating. I probably got like 4 or 5 of the lines. So I'm super excited to try some of those out, because I only have tried the Tahitian Gardenia flower and mango butter line, and I really like that shampoo and conditioner and the detangler. So today I'm going to start by detangling with Tahitian garden flower and mango butter curl defining detangler. Smells so good. So I've used this before. I used it kind of like as a leave-in, because I'm someone who really kind of needs to put something on my hair before styling. So let's see. And this is actually the first time I've gone back and used a wide tooth comb in a really long time. Need to put some more up here. Smooth it down a little bit. So, wow, like totally tangle free, which is what I like to see. actually just like watched like maybe an hour or two worth of Bianca Renee Today videos, and I went and took her deep conditioner challenge because definitely progress from where we started. So now I'm going to be using the Activated Bamboo Charcoal and Purple Moonstone line. This first product is the Restore and Reclaim Scalp Scrub. Pre-wash scalp exfoliant to help clarify and remove buildup. So y'all, this was amazing, basically. I really tried to massage it into my scalp since it is a scalp scrub, and it was very relaxing. Then I went in with a shampoo in order to make sure all of the scalp scrub was out. And this shampoo was extremely moisturizing and extremely clarifying. Like, it was both. Like I said, I wanted to make sure I got all of the scalp scrub out of my hair because the scalp scrub did have these little beads in it. And so I just wanted to make sure all of that was out. And I love the shampoo, and that's kind of why I went overboard, because I just loved it. The smell was great. The texture was great. This is the cleanest my hair has felt in a really long time, and I'm not exaggerating at all. This is wild. Going with the conditioner. So I really like this conditioner, and as you can see, the slip is crazy. That's how good the slip is, y'all. The conditioner literally slipped out of my hand. Lastly, since I haven't deep conditioned in about, I can't remember the last time, I wanted to try the mask that goes along with the whole line. I'm about to rinse it out now with cold water. Y'all, wow, look at these curls. Come on, curls. I am back. As you can see, my hair is still soaking wet. Just let me be a little dramatic for a second. Y'all, that scrub, that shampoo, that conditioner, 9.5 out of 10. I really want to give it a 10 out of 10, but I'm a little hesitant. But y'all, I loved it. Nothing more that I can say. So, now that we got that out the way, I am going to style my hair. This butter is supposed to help preserve the natural curl so your hair moves with a beautiful bounce. Curl defining combing cream aids in detangling, ensures softness, and creates frizz-free curl retention. So let's see how this works. Alright, I said I was going to start sectioning my hair. Defined, as you can see. I'm not used to sectioning my hair. I don't know what to do with it. Super moisturizing. Also, I mean, it says it has flower in its name, but it really does smell like flowers. Like I said, I was rewatching my video. I was editing my last video and I realized I just like somehow neglect the back of my hair. So here we are, really trying to use a product. Make sure it's super moisturized and covers all the hair. Oh, also it is my birthday month, so that also makes it fun. And then July is Minority Mental Health Month, and I have some really exciting things in the works. So make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. So I'm super excited to see how everything comes to fruition. I really love using my platform, even though it might be small, to talk about mental health, especially as a Black woman. And mental health definitely affects Black people at an alarming rate. Look at those curls. Hey everyone, so I'm back. So last night I was exhausted, and so I just was like, you know what, I'm just gonna film tomorrow. As y'all can see, the curls are super defined. So I really love the combing cream. However, it's kind of like just a little sticky, so I don't know if I just like put too much product on it, but I really love the definition and volume, which I have like a really hard time getting. I really wish y'all had more styling products for the Not Your Mother's Naturals line. I know the focus is on like shampoo, conditioner, and mask. I just love using whole lines. Just give me a whole line. So if y'all could do that, that would be great. Lord, can y'all just take a minute to like look at that definition? Wow. Like, wow. And this is only from one product. I'm very impressed. Okay. So lastly, I went in with the passion fruit kombucha and Awapuhi ginger leave-in tonic. This is supposed to reawaken natural hair vitality and help detangle and also add shine. I primarily used it for the shine. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And please be safe. Please wear your mask. Please social distance. And please take care of yourselves. Thank you so much for watching another Shy Girl Sentiment hair tutorial. See y'all soon. Bye.